In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Capital One Platinum credit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you clear and easy to follow steps on how to best use your Capital One Platinum credit card. Now, first, I want to talk about where you can acquire the card, see if you are pre-approved, and apply. And as you can see on screen, this process will be mainly done on the Capital One website. Of course, you can visit a branch if you prefer, but I just want to cover this option for people who like the convenience of visiting the website. In here, go over credit cards, select the option to compare all the cards, or just select any option here, and you should be able to find the Platinum Capital One card. Now, this card is a good option for people with fair credit who are looking to build upon their credit score. So you will be able to find it here, and some of the ways to use it responsibly are going to include making on-time payments, which is the most important factor affecting your credit score. Capital One will have tools like AutoPay to help you avoid those late fees. You can keep your credit utilization ratio low. This means only using a small portion of your credit limit, aiming to pay your balance in full each month, and taking advantage of free credit monitoring, which Capital One provides free access to CreditWise, helping you keep track of your credit score and see the progress over time. Some of the features of this card are going to be listed here, but they are going to include no annual fees, the reward system, security features, and the mobile app where you can manage the card. If you like all of these, all that you have to do is see if you are pre-approved here. You will be redirected to this form where you can answer a bunch of questions, and they will be able to see if this card is good for you. And after you have the card, to use it, simply include the digits on the card itself, which usually are in groups of 4, and the security code at the back alongside with the expiration date and the cardholder's name. In any website or store that accepts credit card, you will be able to use this card either by including those details like I said, or by swiping the card in store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Capital One Platinum card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.